I guess receive this ceiling fan with lights for game purposes. So let's take everything out. It has a user manual. This is for the base, the light fixture. And here we've got the fan blades. This is to attach it upon the ceiling. And this is the proper motor and the LEDs, okay? Here we got the controller and the receiver and that kind of thing. Okay, so let's go and install it in here. Okay, so as you can see now it's already installed. You can change on the brightness of the light or the temperature. It has different settings of temperature, which is really nice. And you can change it with just a press of one button, which is really nice. It has 6 different speeds and it's a really potent motor, so it brings a lot of wind, perfect for the summer. And you can reverse it so it's ready for winter, you know. And you can also program it so it's up to 2 hours. It's perfect. And you can turn it off all at once. So it's really nice and I would really recommend it. See ya.